now that the prep is ready, let's begin the bhaji for the pav bhaji. So to begin with, first goes in roughly cut potatoes which I have washed and peeled, some peas, some tomatoes, and water, some salt. Now I'm going to cover and cook this for 15 to 20 minutes till all the vegetables are nicely cooked and done. Now that this is boiled and done, let's start mashing this. And here goes in the potato masher. Well, you can also add in a little bit of water just to make sure it's nice and soft and mushy. Now that this is mashed and ready, I'm transferring this into another container. Now the same pan, I'm going to heat in some butter, some chopped onion, some cumin seeds, garlic paste, and chilli powder. I'm just mixing all of this so that it all comes together and gets well incorporated. At this stage, you can remove a few spoonfuls of this and we can use this as a chutney with the pav bhaji later. Next goes in capsicum, turmeric, and garam masala. A nice mix. Once this is nicely sauteed, I'm going to add in the mashed pulp. And here we had some potatoes, peas, and tomatoes. And now we need to mix all of this nicely and evenly. Well, I have some food grade red color with me, so I'm adding a little bit of that, but well, that's optional. Well, I'm adding this color to make it look more street-like. Well, at this stage, we're going to check for some salt. Remember, salt is in the butter and salt has already been added in the potatoes. So we check for salt and to adjust the consistency, a little bit of water. Well, the potato, peas and tomato mixture that is now bubbling in this pan can also be pressure cooked. 2 or 3 whistles and there we are. So the bhaji is ready. I'm moving this on slow simmer so that the bhaji can be bubbling and simmering here. In the interim, let's start glazing the pav. So I have some butter and some pav. I'm going to heat this along with some butter. So I'm just slicing this. So I'm applying a little bit of butter on this. And this goes straight on the griddle. Well, you can keep applying some butter on the pav because this is eventually going to add into the taste of the pav bhaji. We're going to nicely toast these on both the sides. So now the bhaji and the pav both are ready. Time to now serve this. Next goes in the pav, chopped onion, a lemon wedge, a generous amount of butter, coriander. Finally goes in the onion masala, which can be eaten as a chutney. With this, ladies and gentlemen, this is me, Varun and Amdar, signing off. Bye for now.